Well, heavy rainwater last night, and that's affected my pond today. The pond's all discoloured. I can hardly see the fish again. I'm trying to figure out what it is in the water that's doing this, because there's no algae in the pond at all. Its pond sides are clear. No pond algae at all. And the water just goes from clear to this murky colour basically overnight. Most of the rainwater here seems to come from Poland or Germany and comes across and then decides to drop in my pond. When I look at the filters, there's a little tinge in the filters, and as you can see here, the skimmer has gone green. So it's some form of bacteria off the rain that's causing the pond to go like this, but it does it within a few hours, which I just cannot understand. If I look at the filter, I'll see there's nothing in the filter at all. The filter's totally clear. So whatever it is, it's in the pond water itself. And if I look at the other filter, which is over here, you see a little bit of tinge, but that's it. So, what is making the water go to green like it is? Is it a reaction with the food? It's just difficult to track it down. If I came out to the pond, it hadn't been raining, I would have said, right, we've got a lot of algae in the water, and that's the reason it's turning green. But there's no algae in the water, there's no algae on the sides of the pond. The ponds are basically clean. They're on there. Oh. So what is in the pond that's making the water go green? The only thing in the pond is the fish, and obviously the food that I just put in. And I've tested all the food, as I always do, in water to see if there's anything comes off it before I would buy it or put it into the pond. So this is a mystery.